Hi there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, or Little RV Specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, and my sisters call me Charlie, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering a warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVs. For sale today, we have a 2011 Pleasureway Excel TD with 37,492 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2011 Pleasureway Excel TD. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated dealership. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process. We'll go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. Got a real nice unit here. We've got hard surface flooring, makes it easier to keep clean. Got a table mount in the back. Also got a table mount up front here. Got a small circular table here. And we've got a table stored inside the back door. You can see that on the outside portion of the tour later on. Got about 74 inches of headroom in the main part of the coach here. Got a fantastic fan that acts like an attic fan at night, brings the cool outside air in. Can also be an exhaust fan for your bathroom area, which is in here, or perhaps if you're cooking. Nice, easily accessible entryway. Got a stash spot in the door. Got your fire extinguisher. This window here does open, however, it does not have a screen. Got an Awning 2800 generator, fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Awning techs. That has 143 hours. We've got your levels test here for your water tanks and your coach battery. The water tank levels are notoriously finicky, so don't trust those. Got your water pump on off. This pumps the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. Water heater start-stop switch that ignites itself. Got this curtain here you can pull around for privacy. This can go all the way around the front of the unit. Got an aluminum backsplash. A couple little marks there on that from the stove lid popping up. Got a spice rack here that was added. It's a magnetic spice rack. Single basin stainless sink. Got nice Corian countertops. Got a counter flip out here, so you can flip this out here, and this will basically come up and give you some more counter surface. Got a winterization kit there, that's your water pump. Got 110 power here. We've also got 110 power there behind that little counter flip out, so you can get another plug in. Got two drawers here. Got your LP furnace. That red switch there is your coach battery disconnect. That disconnects the coach battery to prevent parasitic draw. It also disconnects the charging systems, which are the shore power plug-in, the alternator while you drive, or the generator. We've got a three-way Dometic fridge freezer. This is a three-way, meaning it runs on AC, so your shore power or your generator. Your DC, meaning your coach battery, or propane gas. That's all controlled via the buttons here on the front. Recommend leaving that in the auto setting. That will do what it needs to do to stay cool as long as you have the appropriate fuel. Got a microwave here that runs on AC power. Plug in our generator. Nice closet here. Got your table leg. Some covers for the windshield. So this is the standard Pleasureway Excel wet bath. Got some 110 plugins there on the right for your curling iron hair dryer. Nice little counter space here. Got three drawers. Got a little bit of blemishing there on the top of that cabinet door. Essentially, you're going to get up in this room here, not much of a step up and in, and do all your business here. We've got a window that opens with a screen portion here on the lower. This is an actual porcelain stool. Lots of storage. I believe that's some bedding or some extra goodies left by the previous owner. Got a CoolCat AC heat pump. This is a heat pump down to around 40 or 50 degrees outside temperature. Below that, you'll have to use the propane furnace. The propane furnace and the heat pump air conditioner are all controlled through this thermostat. Got a crank for the TV antenna overhead. These rear windows do not open. We got screened portions on the lower. So what makes this a TD versus a TS is we got the permanent twin dinette sleepers here. So basically you can sleep here and here, get out of bed easily at night, or you can drop this nightstand down, use some boards from beneath this cushion to fill in this gap, and then these cushions will all come down to make up the big bed. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like and get some measurements. The separate twin sleepers measure approximately 30 inches wide or east-west and 72 inches long or north-south on the driver's side, and just a little shorter at 70 inches long on the passenger side. The nightstand sits on the ground, and the boards beneath the couch fill in the gap to make the big bed, which measures approximately 70 to 72 inches north-south or front to back, and 80 inches east-west or side to side. Got storage below the couch in the rear. That's the back of your water heater. This is accessible via the rear entry doors. Nice big drawer here. Got noxious gas detector. Got your fuse panel here. This has your 12-volt fuses and your AC 110 breakers. Got AC 110 power here. And this is to inflate and check the pressure on the rear airbag suspension. Here we are sitting in the back of the Pleasureway. How do you row a canoe filled with puppies? Bring out the doggy paddle. So our TV here swivels out to face the front. Both of our front seats do swivel. However, the passenger seat's going to get a lot better position due to the driver's seat having the steering wheel and this cabinet behind it. So you can potentially watch TV from the front if you got something that gets up at different times than one another. Got an inverter back here that inverts the DC battery power, turns into AC so you can watch your TV whenever you'd like. Got a 12-volt power back there. Got a switch there to turn the TV on and off. This is a DVD player and a tuner. So whatever you have in there, whether it's a DVD or music, it'll come out of these speakers here in the back. If you just watch the air channels on the TV itself, the sound will come out of the TV itself. Got a little screw hole here. A couple little tiny blemishes here. There's also a little screw hole up here. Really good looking tile flooring in this. I like this design here. Just looks very pretty. Got some of the home is where you park it Kuhn Truck and RV koozies in here. So we got a really clean specimen here. These Pleasureway Excels are very popular and I think have a lot of very nice appointments for somebody looking for a camper van. Great sleeping, great bathroom, very easy to drive and park. This is a really, really clean unit. I'm going to call this one a 9.5 out of 10. Check it out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Here in the cabin area, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, CD player with auxiliary in. Got nice clean upholstery up front. A little bit of wear there where the driver slides in and out. Tough to say for sure. Some people have magic noses, but I'm not seeing any signs of smoking. I'm going to call this a non-smoker. Got a little glove box there. And I forgot to mention earlier, we got all of our light switches right here by the entry door. Makes it easy to turn the lights on and off. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2011 Pleasureway Excel TD. This RV measures 20 feet, 6 inches bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. It has 4 brand new tires. This Pleasureway is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 37,492 miles. Got a fantastic looking exterior on this one. Very minimal blemishes. Got your toilet vent up top. We got a fantastic fan vent cover there for your fantastic fan, or max air fan vent, I should say. Got the back of the refrigerator. Got your coach battery here. This drawer slides out. Got the furnace exhaust. You don't want to put things here if you have that on. It will melt them. Got 2 110s to plug things in beneath the awning. Got actual alloy rims on this unit. Got your clevis here for your awning legs. The legs are inside the awning itself. I prefer to run those directly to the ground. If you have those connected this way, somebody can walk through here and break those, scratch up the side of the RV. Got a storage bay. Coming around to the back, got your air conditioner coming out here. Got a tow package. We've got air chucks here where you can inflate, deflate, check the pressure on your rear airbag suspension. You can also inflate those electronically from the inside. We've got some storage back here. You can access that through this little door here from the inside of the coach. Got your table, shore power cord. Storage bay, sewer hose storage, fill for the onboard fresh water tank, back of the water heater. Again, just want to show you how nice everything looks on this. Maybe just a teeny tiny discoloration there, but really this thing is fantastic looking. Got the outside showers, nice for pets, kids going to the beach. Fill for the fuel. This runs the engine and the generator. Generator will stop running around a quarter tank. Got your sewer drain, black and gray. Dump your black first, that's your toilet. Then your sink and shower. Got cable TV, your city water in. So basically you're gonna run the drinking water hose into this outlet here, or inlet I should say. Got your propane tank, got a gauge, that's where that's filled. Valve to turn that on and off. Got your shore power connection. We've got our Awning 2800 generator here. This is a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Awning technicians. Spectacular looking pleasure way here. This one is ready to hit the highway.